channel.
No!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below, turning on your post notifications and hashtagging Reesie Gang down in the comments below. And if you're an OG on my channel, welcome back, babe. I have another video. This video is a little bit of a rush because as you can see with the iOS 14 update, there's so many different ways you can customize your screen. I posted my screen on Twitter and a lot of people were asking how to do it, but I know that my screen probably inspired some other people to want to do the same aesthetic, maybe because my aesthetic is like a soft beige black girl luxury aesthetic. That is my type of aesthetic I like going for. It's all throughout my platforms, and so yeah, I wanted to do the same thing with my phone to get me inspired. This actually is the best update Apple could ever do. So yeah, if you guys are wondering how I customize the widgets on my phone, apps that I use, as well as how to change the icons on your actual apps and little tips and tricks, then stay tuned. Bye. You have the iOS 14 updated. This is how your home screen could look, you guys. I'm just going to give you all the apps and tips and tricks. These are my home screens that I am currently using, and as you can see, these are all the apps that I stored all on one little folder because I'm going to hide it after I'm done editing. So we're going to move on to step 2. Alright, you guys, this is the #1 requested question. So this is how you're going to change your app icons with the shortcut app. We're going to press that plus button on the very top, and then we're going to add an action. Then once you do that, you're going to type in open app, and then when you type that in, a colorful little dots or whatever is going to pop up, and you're going to press that, and then you're going to choose an app of your choice. I'm going to personally do a job section because I have multiple jobs, so it's hard for me to, you know, keep track of what I need to do. So we're going to press those 3 dots, and with that is going to edit the actual shortcut. So we're going to put Robert Half. That's one of the jobs that I have. So put the same name as the app, and then we're going to add to home screen, and then this is how you're going to change the name on the home screen. So I'm going to put corporate job. A lot of people are asking what font I use. I downloaded the font, or not the fonts, but I downloaded a fonts app, and it gives you many different fonts, but I like to use Typewriter. This app is free, but you can pay for it, and it gives you more fonts to do, but Typewriter is free. And so now you're gonna type on the icon to choose photo, and then I have a bunch of screenshots already made, and so I'm gonna use this little cute aesthetic work. It just gives me luxury work vibes. Then we're gonna press done 3 times, and then it should be on your screen. So that's exactly how you do it. I'm gonna do it one more time for you. So we're gonna go on the shortcut apps, open app, find another app, which I'm gonna use Homebase because I do serve on the weekends. So this is just gonna help me basically keep track of what days I'm working and what I need to do. So I'm going to put server job as my title, and then I'm gonna go on Pinterest, and Pinterest is where I get all the photos. You guys just type any word and then put aesthetic after it, and you will probably find a very cute picture of it. This is a very long process, especially if you're very picky, so definitely take your time, screenshot multiple photos. And yeah, so this is basically very time consuming, so have patience with it. Make maybe mood boards, but yeah, Pinterest is the way to go. I thought this was cute because, you know, I work at a little brunch spot, so we do serve mimosas, so it's gonna remind me of my job. So we're gonna add that to the widget icon. So we're gonna press on the screen or on the little coral looking icon and add that picture, and then press done like 3 times, or maybe twice. Press done twice, and then boom, it's on the home screen. Alright, you guys, bear with me. I'm going to be all over the place, but first step, we're going to add that plus sign, and that's how you're going to add the widgets. So I told you to download the Reminders app, and this is where you can find it. So they have different sizes. I like to use this medium size. Then you're going to click on the actual list, and then I already have a corporate job list listed, and then we're going to actually edit that. I'm gonna be all over the place. I'm gonna come right back to it, but this is the motivation app. Some people are wondering how you get those quotes. It is actually $20 a year, so I don't know if you guys want to invest in that, but I think it is a good investment. The Widget Smith app is where you're gonna add that aesthetic date and calendar and all that. So we're gonna go back to the Reminders app. We're gonna press on it, press those 3 buttons, and name and appearance. Change the name, the appearance, the color. I like the beige look. And then this is where I'm going to add my list or my reminders. So new reminder for every new reminder you want to do. I'm putting reminders where what I need to do on the daily, which I need to do 25 or more applications, all that. So boom, it popped up. It looks cute. I'm gonna change the icon to a little chair to remind me of the office. And that's basically it, you guys. That's how you customize your Reminders app. You can add the date and all that. Is so cute. I did it for all my pages so I can remind myself. And yeah. So if I haven't already told you, download the Photo Widget app. It's free. It gives you 10 photos you can add. This is where I added all my little photos, and then this is how you're gonna add your photos. You have a large and a small one. I'm gonna show you how it looks large and then how it looks small. So boom, that's how you do it. It's very simple, easy peasy. So now we're going on the Widget Smith app. I'm like backtracking. I'm sorry, I'm all over the place, you guys. So as you can see, I customized my small and medium widget. So we're going to customize our large widgets. So as you can see, just press on it again. Then this is all the different calendars you can add, and then I think this one, it costs money, and we're not going to do that because we're on a budget, y'all. We ain't trying to buy all these little things. So we are going to use this one, and then they give you an option to change the text, which I like the New York font because it's very, like, you know, cute and luxurious. And then I like the gray wording, and then I like the cream background. It just matches my aesthetic. It's super cute. But see how they have all different types of colors for you, all different types of ways you can have your calendar. So I love it. And I believe with this one you can add pictures as well. As you can see on the small widgets, you can't, or in the Widget Smith, you can't see the actual calendar until you click on it and add it. So that's probably a little bug that they're gonna have to fix. So that was a very quick tutorial on how to add your photos and customized calendar as well. This is how everything looks with my Reminders app, the motivational widget. And as you can see, I'm on Pinterest. Use Pinterest for inspiration, screenshot pictures. It's there for you. Put aesthetic after it. I love the black girl luxury aesthetic. It's always like a mood, as you can see, like such a mood. So you guys, we are getting near to the end of this tutorial. If you're wondering how to hide an actual screen, you actually have to press on the little buttons below to show you how many screens you have. And as you can see, that very last screen I have hidden because that's where my original apps are, but I don't want to show that. That's basically it. And yeah, I hope this helped you, inspired you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I love you guys. Bye.